Hello everyone. In this video, we're unboxing and installing the Tangem Wallet cards, part of our full Tangem Wallet review. Click the link in the description to read the full review by SmartOptions. Alright, let's dive straight into the unboxing. The packaging looks sleek and minimalist. Let's see what's inside. First, you'll find a quick start guide that'll walk you through the setup super easily. Right next to it, you'll see the Tangem Wallet cards themselves. They're just like your everyday credit cards, super thin and lightweight. Next, let's get the Tangem app installed and see just how simple it is to get your wallet registered and ready to go. Seriously, nothing could be easier. Forget those complicated setups you've seen before. With Tangem, it's just tapping your card against your NFC-enabled phone and you're good to go. Having multiple backup cards means you're always protected, no matter what. With Tangem, you've got access to thousands of cryptocurrencies. Buy, sell, or swap them easily and safely. Alright, now let's create the wallet. Tap your primary card. Just follow the simple steps on the screen. Set your security code and, if you like, use a seed phrase for extra security. Each card comes equipped with a true random number generator. That means your private keys are generated securely and never actually leave your card. Once the primary card is ready, it's time to set up your backup cards. Tap the second backup card just like the first as it goes. If you've got a set of 3, repeat it again for the third card. Now you're ready to buy crypto, swap tokens, and keep everything safe and secure in your cold wallet. And there you have it. Remember to store your backup cards somewhere secure, and ideally keep them apart just to be extra safe.